The Terra Luna Classic community just passed 3 major proposals. Guys, these are huge proposals for the future of Terra Luna Classic. They're huge proposals for the amount of money drained out of the Terra Luna Classic community pool. And we're going to be talking about the 3 of these. It is the Layer 1 team, it is the USDC team, and it is the Terra Rebels, and they are its over $200,000 total on a quarterly basis that we're looking at right now. And I did find a very good article. We're going to be going over this article because I believe it summarizes both or all 3 of these proposals very well. And then we're going to be jumping into the numbers to see just how much these proposals were able to scrape by with, because some of them didn't even have 50% yes votes. Let's talk about. Welcome to Lunc Update, your source for the latest news and insights on the Luna cryptocurrency. Stay up to date with our in-depth analysis, expert insights, and up-to-the-minute news. Subscribe now to stay ahead of the curve in the world of Luna. Guys, let's jump into this article real quick, and then we're going to go back into the numbers and see exactly where these proposals passed. The headline is Lunc News Terra Luna Classic Community Pool Balance drops to a critical level, and this is absolutely true. It says Terra Luna Classic Community Pool. The balance has dropped to a critical level as the community passed 3 community pool spending proposals with funds dropping from 2.37 billion Terra Luna Classic down to 416 million Terra Luna Classic. This is a drastic reduction in the overall supply of Lunc in the community pool. Now the community pool doesn't have funds to pay for any more development and maintenance of the chain. I kind of disagree with that statement. We are adding more to the community pool every single day. But yeah, the 30-some thousand that's sitting in there right now would be enough to pay for a little bit, but certainly not what these people are going for. The Terra Classic community passed 3 proposals to form a quant team for the USDC Repeg to continue the funding of the joint Layer 1 task force and continue operating Terra Rebels infrastructure and apps. Core developer from the Layer 1 task force, they received 1.264 billion Terra Luna Classic, a huge, basically $116,000 paycheck. The Repeg team gets 222,222,000 Terra Luna Classic, and the Terra Rebels are walking away with 484 million Terra Luna Classic, or $43,000 bank from the community pool. And we know how the Terra Rebels treated the last ones, and yet here we are. Now the community pool only has 416 million Terra Luna Classic left in it and 4.49 million USTC. The Joint Layer 1 Task Force, and we don't need to go through the rest of this, we've been over a lot recently about what each one of these teams is going to do. So I'm not going to go through and read through the rest of the article here. If you guys do want to go check it out, make sure to go check it out. But I want to look here at just how much these proposals passed by because it shows a divided community right now. And it shows that these people are walking away with massive, massive paychecks, and they're not even receiving majority votes. So if you look at the Terra Rebels are walking away with $43,000 in Terra Luna Classic out of that community pool. The yes votes 40%. The no votes 12% no, with veto 13%. You add those together, and of course it doesn't surpass the yes votes. So we get a pass abstained votes 33%. I want to highlight and point something out here. All nodes abstained from voting, all nodes at the previous quarter. They said that they will show their support for the Terra Rebels if, of course, the Terra Rebels continue to maintain the status quo or whatever of their apps and of their infrastructure. All nodes voted to abstain in this, and I think that is a very selfish position that all nodes took. Why? They knew that it was going to pass if they abstained. They understood that they abstained so the community didn't come against them and say you did support the Terra Rebels or you didn't support the Terra Rebels. So all nodes voting to abstain, knowing full well that the Terra Rebels would still receive funding if they did, is a yes vote, and it is a support trying to, I guess, use someone else as a scapegoat in saying that Terra Luna Classic passed that proposal there. So all nodes knew what they were doing with that abstention. But nonetheless, we've got the Layer 1 Task Force, and they passed. This is the highest majority we saw. 63% yes votes, only 4 and 3% no and no with veto, and then 28% abstaining. There's a lot of people abstaining from voting in these proposals, but 63% is the highest percentage vote that we had in any of these three spend proposals. Finally, the USTC quant team. They are passing with just 51% votes, 51% yes, 42% no. On this proposal, barely anybody voted no with veto, and 6.11% voted to abstain. So guys, as you can see, none of these proposals are passing with flying colors, and it was a massive amount of Terra Luna Classic. In probably the video that we do tonight, I'm going to talk about whether or not we can continue this type of spending, because the beginning of this article says that the community pool is drained, right, and we cannot spend any more Terra Luna Classic. Although it is true, okay. I'm going to be breaking the numbers down because I'll tell you one thing right now. The Quantine, they say that this is not going to be in perpetuity, and this is only a 2-month spend. Let's say that they do figure out that they can repeg the USTC to $1. Do you think if they're not even willing to do the theoretical math for free, they're going to maintain that peg for free? Absolutely not. So they will continue to ask for money, and it's probably going to be more than they are for doing just the math alone. We'll discuss in a future video, but I want to know what you guys think about these three proposals passing down there. Good news or bad news, yes or no? Are you happy with this decision? Let us know. That's all for today's update on Luna cryptocurrency. We hope you found our analysis and insights valuable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Luna and other exciting blockchain projects. And as always, thanks for tuning in to Lunc Update. We'll see you in the next one.